What's going on, guys? Today we are out at my favorite motocross track in all of Michigan. Little private track up near Traverse City. It's pretty far north in Michigan, but as you can tell behind me, the dirt is absolutely perfect. It's gonna be a sick day. I'm pretty stoked. I haven't really ridden many tracks this year. The owner, Nick, hit me up. Funny enough, Nick and Nick, right? The owner, Nick, hit me up and I just can't really turn it down. This is probably the sickest track in all of Michigan. So I'm gonna throw on my GoPro. GoPro just sent me the brand new Hero 12. So I'm gonna throw on the GoPro and spin some fast laps for you guys. Maybe do a little bit of play riding, try and throw some whips. Yeah, I'm gonna throw on my GoPro and take you guys on board. unfortunately, as you guys might have heard in that video, when I was going up that hill right before that little step up, the bike really felt like it was low on power and it bogged down like really, really badly going up that jump. Thankfully, it didn't like lock up or anything over that step up, but I decided to just pull right off the track, shut this thing down. I'm out here cleaning it right now, and we're gonna tear this thing down all the way down to the bottom end, completely strip this thing apart and try to figure out what's wrong with it. I've been having a little bit of like a couple issues with it since my Club MX trip. Every time I'd rev it, I would hear like when it would come back from the rev and idle down, there would be like a knocking sound, and it kind of sounds like it's coming from the bottom end. We did actually just put a fresh top end in it because we thought that might have been the issue. Really weird wear spot on the piston. Apparently that the fresh top end didn't fix it. So we're gonna tear this thing completely apart. Thankfully it didn't completely explode and grenade on me, but we're gonna tear this thing apart and figure out what's exactly going on here. Had to call it. I did maybe 5 laps today, but it's better than having a trip to the hospital because of a bike malfunction. So we're gonna get this thing sorted, hopefully be back out riding pretty soon. I do have another bike, but that thing's getting ready to get sold. It's got outdoor suspension on it as well, and that thing's got like 75 hours on it now. So it's about time to either rebuild that one as well or just kind of get rid of it and go buy a brand new bike, which pains me to say because this is my 3rd bike this year, so not cheap. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe as per usual, and hopefully we will see you guys sooner than later for the next one.